Temperatures are in the mid-60s, and we should top out at almost 70 degrees today. Fairly mild weather, but you will notice that the clouds are beginning to thicken up. Yes, those clouds are coming in from the west. The southeast winds are at the surface, but aloft we're getting a little bit of wind ahead of this frontal system that is also headed in our direction. The front is actually going to be moving through the coastal bend on Saturday, and that's why we expect a little bit of rain associated with that front. Saturday looks a little damp, especially Saturday night into Sunday early in the morning. Now the clouds, as you can see here on our satellite picture, are coming in from the west. This is actually a weather system in the upper atmosphere that is rolling toward us. So perfect timing. The clouds arrived, the moisture arrived, the frontal system arrives at the same time, and as a result we get that little bit of rain that we expect on Saturday. Now upstream, up in the upper plains, there where you see Old Man Winter, well, there's where we're really having to watch the bitter cold air that's coming down. This is the polar vortex, folks. Basically, it's the coldest air we have on the planet, and it will drop down into the United States for the next 2-3 days. Now, if it heads completely south, we're going to be in for it. But if it slides to the east, we may miss some of it. At this point in time, you can see where all the cold air is located. There's the freeze line, and then, of course, in the Midwest, you have the below zero line. And in Canada, well, it's ridiculous. You can see that 27 below zero. That's the actual temperature, not the wind chill. So the way it goes for us is like this. We've got the clouds getting thicker. Tonight we'll pick up a sprinkle or two, but tomorrow, Saturday, I think is the main day when the low and the frontal system join together to give us a little rain opportunity. Looks like the heaviest stuff will be in the Rio Grande Valley, but from our area south, you'll see that coming through. Saturday night, it'll be wet, then Sunday morning it all clears out. Most of Sunday should be pretty good if you have plans outdoors. I don't expect any significant problem with the frontal system. It's not particularly cold. So take a look at your 7-day forecast. We're looking for a 65 to maybe 70 today, then 63 tomorrow with the rain coming in. It clears up for Sunday. Monday's looking very nice, but then Tuesday morning, the big cold front blows through, and then we're in a blue norther, because we're going to be getting cloudy skies, cold winds, and chilly weather. Highs in the daytimes in the mid-50s and overnight lows in the upper 30s. Not particularly cold because of the cloud deck that's going to hold the heat of the surface in. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy.